Hello and welcome to the 3 days weather forecast from the Nigerian Meteorological Agency. I am Paul Uba. We start by looking at what has played out so far this as at Monday morning weather-wise. Looking at the satellite imagery before us as at 0915 UTC, which is equivalent to 10:15 local time this morning, we've seen a storm which has traversed the northeastern parts of the country during the early hours of Monday morning and have given rains to parts of Maiduguri, Bauchi, Gombe, and Jos in Plateau State. Other parts of the country have remained stable during the morning hours, but we expect that as the day progresses and with more insolation, there is a likelihood that the clouds will build up again and give some activities of rainfall from thunderstorms around parts of Kaduna and Abuja and also Nasarawa State. We also expect Ilorin and also parts of Kogi State to experience some rainfall from thunderstorms, while the southeastern coast of Calabar and also the inland areas of Enugu and Imo State are expected to watch out also for some activities of rainfall from thunderstorms. As we move to the temperature forecast for Monday, we expect to see the highest value of 38 degrees Celsius over Damaturu and 37 around Maiduguri. 35 degrees Celsius is expected over Katsina and Kano State. Down south, we have values in the range of 30 to 31 degrees Celsius expected over the coastal and inland areas of the south, while the central parts of the country are expected to experience maximum temperature in the range of 30 to 34 degrees Celsius, except over Ado-Ekiti areas where we expect a slight drop of temperature to 29 degrees Celsius. By Tuesday, the morning hours are expected to be relatively stable with partly cloudy conditions over the northeast and also the northwestern parts of the country. However, there are possibilities of thunderstorms over Kano and Katsina areas and also in parts of Jos, Nasarawa, and southern Kaduna State. We also expect to see thunderstorms affect parts of Abuja and also Niger State in the morning of Tuesday. As we move to the afternoon hours of Tuesday, there are more prospects for activities of thunderstorms, which are expected to be widespread across the country because of the dominant flow of southwesterly flow, both at the 925 hectopascal level and at the 850 hectopascal level. However, the northeast is overlain with northeasterly winds, and this is likely to keep this area partly cloudy for the rest of Tuesday afternoon. Temperature values on Tuesday are expected to reach 36 degrees Celsius in Damaturu areas, 35 over Maiduguri, and also over Katsina and Kano State. Down south, we expect to see a range of 31 to 33 degrees Celsius, dominantly over these areas. However, places like Ilorin are expected to experience temperatures of 29 degrees Celsius as well as Ado-Ekiti areas. For Wednesday, we expect the morning hours to be stable over the northeastern parts of the country, whereas we expect to see partly cloudy conditions. Cloudy over the southern parts of the country and possibilities of thunderstorms over places around Bauchi, Jos areas, Nasarawa State, and also in Abuja and Niger State. We also expect some thunderstorms to affect the northwestern axis of Sokoto and Birnin Kebbi. By afternoon, with insolation, we expect more widespread activities, particularly around the eastern flank of the country, stretching from the northern part of Maiduguri down to the coast of Calabar. We also expect to see these thunderstorms affect the central parts of Abuja, Lokoja, and also parts of Niger and Kaduna State. The southwestern parts are not left out, as we also expect to see thunderstorms in places like Akure and Ibadan in Oyo State. For our maximum temperature forecast of Wednesday, we expect temperatures in the south to increase slightly as we see values of 33 degrees Celsius and also values of 32 degrees Celsius dominantly around this area. Over the north, values are not expected to exceed 36 degrees Celsius as we see in Damaturu and also in Sokoto, while Birnin Kebbi is expected to report 35 degrees Celsius. Kaduna and Abuja are expected to be 32 degrees Celsius. And with this forecast, this is to say that in the next 3 days, we expect to see more activities in the northern parts of the country than the southern parts of the country. Thanks for watching.